What if your WooCommerce store could automatically recommend the right product to every shopper? Whether it's a bestseller, new arrival, upsell, or useful add-on, your store can show what fits that page and moment, without you manually choosing every suggestion. But you still need a way to figure out what to recommend, where to show it, and which products should get priority. That's exactly what AI product recommendations solves. And in this video, I'll show you how to build AI-powered product recommendations in your WooCommerce store. Meet WowRecommend, an AI-powered product recommendation plugin for WooCommerce. It is specifically built for WooCommerce store owners to automatically show more relevant products at every stage of the customer journey. WowRecommend gives you 32+ filters, smart sorting, AI rule building, and live preview in one place. You can place recommendations across 6 WooCommerce pages: product, shop, archive, cart, checkout, and thank you page, and control what shows up and where. Before we create one, let me quickly show you how the whole process works. You start by choosing the target page. Then you pick the exact position where the recommendation should appear. Next, either start with a pre-made template or build one from scratch. Add a recommendation heading. Choose the product filters and conditions. Then decide which product should appear first. Then comes the layout. Choose between grid or slider. Control how many products appear and more. You can also schedule recommendations or use display conditions for more control over when and where they appear. That's the manual workflow, but you don't have to build everything manually. You can use guided steps or simply type what you want in the AI chat, and WowRecommend will build the recommendation for you. Open the recommendation builder and select the page where you want to create the recommendation. For this example, I'll use the product page. No matter which target page you choose, you'll find the AI chat button in the bottom right corner. Click it to open the chat interface. Now, if your site doesn't have an AI provider connected through the WordPress AI system, you'll see this alert. Just click Configure and WordPress will take you to the connector settings. With WordPress 7, AI providers are connected through connector plugins. You can use individual provider plugins like OpenAI or Google, or a multi-provider AI connector if you want to connect multiple or free AI providers through a single plugin. Install and activate the connector you want. Add your provider's API key and save the connection. If you need help with that setup, we have a dedicated step-by-step video linked in the description. Once the connection is ready, come back to WowRecommend. The alert will be gone and you can start chatting with AI. So let's start with hi. Now let's create a recommendation with just one prompt. And just like that, AI turns the request into a recommendation with the appropriate filters, sorting, and other settings. But you don't have to get everything perfect in the first prompt. You can keep refining it naturally. For example, show 5 products instead. Or keep the same filter, but sort by rating. As you continue chatting, WowRecommend updates the recommendation and keeps the generated settings editable. We'll provide a collection of example prompts to make this even easier. You'll find that link in the description. When the recommendation looks right, you can choose the placement and click Apply. The recommendation then opens in the regular builder, where you can still manually adjust the filters, sorting, schedule, layout, and other settings. So AI helps you create faster, but you still keep full control. If you don't want to connect an API key or use AI chat, you can still create recommendations quickly with guided steps. Instead of writing prompts, WowRecommend walks you through the setup using simple on-screen choices. It starts by asking you to choose a recommendation goal. And these options are dynamic, which means they change based on the target page you are currently working on. For example, If we switch to the checkout page, the suggested goals update to match checkout-related recommendations. Back on the product page, let's choose bestsellers. Next, WowRecommend asks where the recommendation should appear. Choose the placement you want. Then, it asks how the products should be ordered. Let's choose trending first. And that's enough to build the recommendation for you. WowRecommend automatically creates the recommendation with the appropriate heading, filters, sorting rules, and placement, then opens everything in the regular side panel. So guided steps are simply a faster way to build the same editable recommendation. Now let's build one manually. First, choose the target page. Once you select the page, you'll see multiple placement options. You can add a recommendation to one specific placement or multiple placements on the same page. Pick the placement you want and click Add Recommendation. From here, you can either choose a pre-made recommendation template or start from scratch. The pre-made templates already include predefined filters and sorting rules, which you can use as a starting point and modify as needed. But for this example, we'll start from scratch so you can see how the setup works. The first thing to do is give your recommendation a heading, such as Recommended for You. Next comes the most important part, the recommendation filter. This decides which products are eligible to appear as recommendations, and the available filters are grouped into 4 categories to make them easier to manage. For direct control, start with product filters. With this, you can target specific products, categories, attributes, or products related to the current product's category, tag, or attribute. If your goal is based on store performance, move to Sales and Performance filters. Here, you can recommend best-selling, high revenue, or on-sale products. For more personalized suggestions, use Customer Behavior filters. These can recommend products a customer recently viewed frequently, added to or removed from the cart, or products that match their interests. And product relationship filters cover related products, upsells, cross-sells, and complementary or bought-together products. You can also combine multiple filters. For example, you could recommend bestsellers, but exclude products that are out of stock. Once the filters are ready, move to sorting. It helps you decide the order in which the filtered products appear, what comes first, second, and so on. You can sort by popularity, conversion, freshness, and more. You can also add multiple sorting rules and set their priority. This tells WowRecommend which sorting rule to use first. For example, if popularity is the first priority and rating is second, products are sorted by popularity first. If 2 products have the same popularity, rating decides which one shows first. For cart and checkout recommendations, there's an extra cart conditions section. It decides whether the recommendation should appear on those pages. You can set conditions using cart quantity, cart value, total spend, number of orders, or whether the customer is logged in. Once the condition is met and the shopper reaches the cart or checkout page, WowRecommend displays the products based on the filters and sorting rules. You can schedule a recommendation if you want it to start later or stop automatically at a specific date and time. Then use display conditions, especially when multiple recommendations are eligible for the same placement. Here, you can choose Always if you want all eligible recommendations to appear together, or choose Sequential if you want to show one recommendation widget at a time. You can control when the next recommendation appears by choosing options like Instantly, After a delay, or after a certain number of page reloads. WowRecommend also gives you 2 more ways to recommend products at key buying moments: pop-up upsells and checkout order bumps. For a pop-up upsell, start with the pop-up heading, then choose what should trigger it: all products, specific categories, or specific products. These pop-ups can appear only on the product page, cart page, and checkout page, and you can control when they open using page-specific trigger conditions, such as after adding a product to cart, clicking View Cart or Proceed to Checkout, or after a set amount of time. Then choose the recommended products using the same filters and sorting rules we've already seen. Or start faster with a pre-made template. For checkout order bumps, the workflow is a little different because they are designed specifically for the checkout page. Start by choosing the trigger products, then select where the order bump should appear, after order summary, before place order button, or after place order button. You can check the preview on the right. Next, set up the recommended products using the same filters, sorting rules, or pre-made templates. Order bumps also include a few extra controls. You can set the number of products to display, enable product page links, and optionally offer either a percentage or fixed amount discount. For each recommendation, open the Layout tab to customize how it looks. You can start by choosing one of the 5 pre-made layouts. As you select a layout, you can see the changes instantly in the live preview on the right. Then, from Layout Settings, choose between Grid or Slider. Set the total number of products to display. Decide how many products should appear on desktop, tablet, and mobile, and choose the heading alignment. You can also adjust the content size and pixels. Under Element Display, you can control what appears inside each product card. For example, you can show the product image, title, price, and Add to Cart button, but hide product category and rating. These settings control the design of the individual product cards. But for styling the recommendation widgets, go to Customize. Here, you can choose from 3 preset color themes. Customize individual colors, set the Add to Cart button style, and adjust the widget border radius. Once your recommendations are live, the Analytics section shows you how your recommendations are performing. You can track results for the last 7, 30, or 90 days, including sales, orders, add to carts, conversion rate, and more. It also lets you compare sales by target page, view sales over time, and see recent orders generated from recommendations. This makes it easier to understand what's working and improve your recommendation strategy. And that's how you can create and manage product recommendations in WooCommerce with WowRecommend. If you want to learn more about WowRecommend features, check the links in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.